What's up, guys? So basically this video is a training tutorial about the company Enjeo. So if you've seen this, then you are signed up under me, and I just want to help you guys out so you can actually start seeing some results with this business opportunity. I'm going to show you basically things we're going to tackle is setting up your Craigslist ad, what section to post in, ad title and ad description, finding popular states with huge population, and how to reply to your needs. So we're going to start with the first step, setting up your Craigslist ad. So you're going to go to Craigslist.com. If you don't have a Craigslist account, I recommend you creating one. It's free to sign up. It takes less than a minute. And once you're done, log into your account, and basically I'm going to show you what section to post in. Where you want to post in, you go to jobs, scroll down. Now you go to general labor if you want to. Oops. Okay, sorry about that. Let me make a post. You go to post. Okay. You go to post on the top right hand corner. Okay. So you choose a location that best fits your description. So I'm gonna choose Miami. Now, from my point of view, I tested with job offered and gig offer, so I recommend those two. So I'm gonna try with I'm gonna use gig offer for an example. So I have a service to offer. Yes, it's gonna cost money. It only costs $5 per post, but I've used this method to basically have someone sign up under me, and I already made my investment, which is $10 back for someone signing up under me. So I already made my investment back. So don't be afraid to invest into yourself. The possibilities are endless. So what you want to do from here, you scroll down. You can go to labor hauling moving, or you go to small biz ads. I recommend those two. I'm gonna just choose labor hauling / moving for educational purposes. Now, when you come here, basically it says posting title, city or neighborhood, postal code, and description. Your posting title, this is going to be the ad that you want to use for your ad title. You want to be your own boss and work from home? City or neighborhood. Okay, so for example, I chose, since I did it in Miami, I chose Miami. A postal code. I'll get to that part in a second. I'll show you the little trick. Description, add description. It's here. Copy and paste this. Copy, paste. Requirements. If you want to learn how to start earning $50 to $100 daily, if you said yes, then it only requires you to have just $1 and to be able to follow directions. I'm only helping those who actually want to earn extra income on the side, and I provided them requirements and steps. So this post helps people get engaged builds curiosity and provides a requirement that they need to follow as well. So this helps eliminate anybody who's not serious about doing this. Okay. Now, you can copy the same ad if you want to, but I highly recommend just switching, changing a few things in the ad description. That way, everybody has the same ad. Your ad is not the same as my ad. Just copy, just change up a few things, in the description. That way, not everything is the same to make sure everything, is different.